Let's make lentil tacos. Cutting an avocado in half, dice the avocado. We're going to add this to our food processor. Half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. We are going to add the juice of 1 lime. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of chili powder. You do want to scrape the sides to make sure you're mixing everything evenly. Start with our green bell pepper and we'll slice this. Next, we're going to dice the bell peppers. The onion's going to add a nice color. Next, we're going to chop our walnut. If you are watching your sodium, I do recommend rinsing all canned vegetables. Add our mixture of bell peppers, onions, and walnuts. Now that this is sauteed and softened, we're going to add our lentils now. Add some garlic. I usually recommend adding garlic a little bit later in your recipe. When you add it in the beginning, it can give it more of a bitter taste. We're going to add half a teaspoon of ground oregano, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika. Next, we are going to get our whole wheat flour tortillas and we'll add our mixture. Add our fresh avocado citrus crema.